Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So we are into self-balancing system. Self-balancing system introduction is over, first problem is over, now today's second problem. This problem I expect you to work out. And please, if you work out by yourself, your answer is matching with my answer, please write it in the comment box that you got the answer. Happily you write. I feel double happy. Okay, now today's problem is also same like previous problem, but a little bit difference is that I'll explain it. After that, you try to work out. Pause the video and try to work out. Now the problem is given like this: prepare sales ledger adjustment from general ledger. What you have to prepare? Sales ledger adjustment account from general ledger. Same like previous problem. In general ledger, sales ledger adjustment account. Okay, what is given to us? Balance as on 31st January 2018. Opening balance this is. Okay. Opening balance, you write it on the debit side. Credit sales, cash sales. Cash sales are required? Not at all, because this sales ledger adjustment account is related to the credit sales only. So this we are not going to consider. Ignore it. Okay. Next, cash received from debtors. Received cash from debtors, credit side you will write. Discount allowed, credit side. Bills receivable, credit side. Return inwards. Return inwards means sales returns. Credit side you will write. Bills receivable, dishonored. Bills dishonored. Bills when it was honored, where it is a bills honored. Credit side we have written. When bills are dishonored, debit side. To cancel that. And bad debts, credit side. Sundry charges debited to customers. Sundry charges, they are charging something that is debited to the customers. Means we will write it on the debit side only. Debited means debit side will write. Generally, as I told you, debit side you will write always sales only, right? But here, one more transaction, they are very clearly saying that sundry charges debited to the customers. Debited means we will write it on the debit side. This one, debit side. Next, transfer to purchase ledger. From this account, we are transferring some amount. How much? 100 transferring to the purchase ledger. Transferring entry also comes on the credit side only. Am I clear? If you understand all these things, pause the video, start working out the problem, and the answer is given here. 50,169. This is the answer you have to get. Pause the video, start working out. Then those who cannot work out, look at the problem. I'll work out it slowly. Now first one is here, balance as on 1st January 2008, opening balance, that is 55,842. Then kept a side headings, general ledger adjustment account and also general ledger adjustment account, both the sides, debit side, credit side. Under this columns will write credit sales. Credit sales is always debit side you will write. So credit sales 98,602. Cash sales we don't take. Cash received from debtors, credit side. Cash from debtors. How much it is? 88,753. Then discount allowed 480. Bills receivable. Bills receivable received 7,120. Next, return inwards, credit side only. Returns inwards 5,430. Bills dishonored. When bills was honored, credit side. Dishonored means debit side. Bills dishonored 1,120. Next, bad debts. Bad debts always credit side. So bad debts 3,890. Next, sundry charges debited to the customers. Debited means debit side. You will write sundry charges. Sundry charges are 378. Next, transfer to purchase ledger. Transfer means credit to debit we are transferring. So transfer you can write transfer 100 rupees. That's all over. We'll close this. Which side is more? As usual it seems debit side is more. So first I'll total the debit amount. 55,842. 55,842 plus 98,602 plus 1,120 plus 378. It is coming to 1,55,942. So both the sides I'll write 1,55,942. So this minus rest of the transactions. Minus 88,753 minus 480 minus 7,120 minus 5,430 minus 3,990 I'll take directly. So it's getting 50,169. Yes, 50,169. What is this? Balance carried down by balance carried down. Carried on means next month it will be brought down. In the previous problem I forgot to transfer this amount. Now I am showing it here. To balance brought down. Brought down 50,169. That's all. Hope you got the answer. Take a screenshot or note down. Even when you are attending your class lectures also, please focus on your faculty members, what they are teaching. You write down later. Writing and looking at them, no, it will not work out. Understand the concept, then take down the notes. So that will be easy. While taking down the notes also you can understand, yes, what you have studied. First inside, then inside of the book, right? That's it. So anyway, hope you have followed. In the next class we'll see different problem. It's totally different problem. We'll work out even the purchase ledger adjustment account also in the next problem. Stay connected. Please do subscribe and support our channel. It is for student community at the rate free of cost. And all my energy, time, especially for you all, I'm spending. Support our channel and also practice well. Good luck. See you.